How to manage users in Drupal. This tutorial assumes you've already logged into Drupal. Now let's learn how to manage users. Click the Administer link. Scroll down. Click the Users link here. Let's add a user now. Click Add User. Enter a username for the new user here. Then enter the new user's email address. Enter and confirm a password for the new user. When finished, click Create New Account. That's it! A new user account has been created. Click the List link here. Scroll down. Here is the user we just created. From here we can edit the user, including changing their password. Or we can delete the user, which we're going to do now. Select Delete the selected users. Then click Update. Click here to confirm you want to delete the account. The user we created has now been deleted. Click the User Management link. Then click the Roles link. A role is a way of giving selected permissions to a group of users, which you can do from here. Click the User Settings link. And from here you can change many settings for the users of your site. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to manage users in Drupal.